यार दांत में दर्द हो रहा है यार। सर में भी दर्द हो रहा है, बारिश में भीग गई तो कफ एंड कोल्ड भी हो रहा है मेरे को लग रहा है मेरे को फीवर चढ़ने वाला है। और कुछ हो रहा है, आप सोते जा रहे हैं। हैव यू सीन अ डॉक्टर? गो सी अ डॉक्टर फर्स्ट। दिस इज मी, जसली कपानी, द फाउंडर एंड CEO of I Am Decor and Design. We are in the business and line of designing and manufacturing home and office decor and interior solutions. Now, with the change in the weather and the monsoon and stuff, people are genuinely, like in my gym, I see people wearing a mask and working out. They've got this cough and cold and stuff. And I woke up with a bad throat. But I took some rest and stuff. So, my tip, since I'm also into fitness and I do some other stuff as well, and meditation, is positive thinking helps you big time. If you keep only focusing on how unwell you're feeling and you don't take the precautions, the medicines, you don't gargle, you don't see a doctor, you don't work on your immunity, you don't have the right food, you don't rest the right way, and you don't, respect your body and stuff, it's not going to support you for too long. So a regular cough and cold can get extended to a fever and stuff. So good idea is, rather than pondering on this and with every phone call sharing it and stuff, go see your doctor, take some rest, have some adrak wali chai, have some nimbu pani, take vitamin C, have those medicines for your cough and cold. Call your doctor, and if they allow you, exercise, walk in the sun. Most important is, we forget this, that we are on social media, or we are on our phone, or we are like watching TV to pass time and stuff, and we are resting. But the ideal approach is, or the best way, the practical tip I can share with you is that cover yourself up well and sit in the sun, in the balcony. And if you're going to a park, wear a mask, because the sun helps you the best. And what you really need is to not focus so much on how you're feeling, but how you want to get better. So focus on feeling better. The sunshine will uplift you, people around you will uplift you, Frola can uplift you, the beauty of the grass can uplift you. If you've got some children playing around, some dogs around you, you'll feel better, much better. And of course, if you do not have fever and stuff, just wear a mask and hit the gym. Yeah, go to a gym, play your sport for a little while, and come and rest. But best is to call up a doctor and take that medicine, not popping in too many medicines, but generally speaking, if you're not well, call a doctor, take an opinion, because at this point of time there are so many viruses in the air that there's also this relapse of stomach infections, not because of just the food, but it can be because of coffee, it can be because of the water that you drink and stuff. So carry boiled water with you, or home water with you, or have water only from trusted sources, and that should help you, right? So I'm also sharing a lot of posts on fitness and strength and stuff. The reason is that I've had a journey of overcoming, I'm still working on it, overcoming quite a few number of health challenges and stuff, and I'm here in my gym. So what really helps is exercising, positive thinking, spending time with people who've been through the journey, or who keep making you look at the brighter side, that it's going to get better, and you're definitely going to recover. So you don't have to beat yourself down by thinking the worst. I mean, it's human mind. Even I used to have this thing that ठीक होगा नहीं होगा, and then my doctor would tell me, you're going to be fine very soon. So that works as a second voice or a loud voice, which helps you really understand that there's always a rainbow on the other side of the storm and the rain and stuff. Yeah, so look at the rainbow, think about the positive things, spend some time focusing on recovery and not on how miserable you feel or bad you feel. And yes, sleep, by all means sleep, but all these other things are definitely going to help you, your diet, your sleep, and walking around a little bit, fresh air, the sunshine, and spending time in open and stuff. So hope this helps. So it's a Monday, I'm in my gym. Why am I in the gym on a Monday? Because I've not worked out for the last 2-3 days, so I thought this was an ample time. While the work happens from wherever we are, it's always a good idea to kind of work and stuff. So I thought, Monday, a new week, new goals, new plans. Let me just go and sweat it out and kick it out, and I'm going to go back feeling totally refreshed. So wish you the same, and take care of your health, and enjoy and have a blast, and respect your health, and stay consistent around your resting habits, eating habits, and exercising. And if you're not feeling well, or something is overwhelming you, because we have all different kinds of careers and stuff involved, we're not the same people, slow down is a good idea. And you rejuvenate, you refreshen up, you feel better, and then you're in a position to take a task or take any challenge that comes your way in a better manner. Jaan hai to jahan hai, and health is definitely ultimate wealth. Love and luck, take care, bye bye, enjoy. And just in case you're not well, get well soon. Bye bye.